Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to reply to a comment with a video on someone's else's TikTok. Right, it's very simple. I've already made a video on this topic before, but I used an Android phone to show you guys how to do this. But I noticed people keep complaining that the process on iPhone is different, so I decided to get an iPhone and show you guys how you can do this on an iPhone. Now, if you want to do this on an iPhone, this is all you have to do. First of all, I'm going to go to my For You page and choose a video. For example, if I want to do this on this user's comment, I'm going to have to click on comment at the right hand side of my screen, and then you're going to see all the comments on this video. Now, if I want to reply to a particular comment with a video, this is all I have to do. I'm going to have to click on reply at the bottom of this comment. Now once I click on reply, then you can now start replying with the text, but that's not what I want to do. We want to reply with a video. Now if you look right here, you want to notice there's a video icon right there. Tap on that. Now once you tap on that, you can start recording your own video that you want to reply to this comment with. For example, I'm going to record a short video. Alright, once you're done recording, click on the check mark at the right hand side video, click on next, and then you get the option to post. Now once you click on post, then this video is going to reply to that comment. So guys, this is how you can reply to a comment with a video on someone else's TikTok. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching.